right, let's get to the action. Of course, you guys see on semiconductor here showing up, and we'll see what happens with these. I do see IC here. IC is a pharmaceutical company that is getting bought out today. Just to give you guys the numbers on that. So, Iveric Bio shares are trading higher after Astellas announced it would acquire the company for $40 a share. You guys can
Wow.
see it's trading right now at 37.90 I have. So a high in the pre-market of 37.95. Of course, with the deal, this is pretty much done, but just wanted to go ahead and announce the news with it. Let's keep going. Let's take a look at some other ones here that are making moves. I do see some gold trade showing up here. What do you guys think about the gold trade?
I'm just gonna comment on the bullion. We just had a big move here. Now we're in the green, following silver. Silver's on fire, so I'm not sure what the catalyst was here. Silver back up near the high of the move, and gold back over 2K. So momentum's still up. I would just look for like the high close of the moves and these stuff. Not seeing any
These
particular
are
news.
recession. If you think we're going to recession, which obviously the markets, some people still think that gold and silver, if you're getting long gold and silver, you're thinking tougher times ahead. So I don't know. Logic says they're right, but the technicals, on the overall market says they're wrong. So I don't think we're going to see the S&Ps at all-time highs and gold at all-time highs. Maybe it's going to be a funky market like that, but that typically doesn't happen.
All right, here's an interesting one to see up today. I see Zillow Group up today. I looked to see if there was some news. I didn't see anything on Zillow Group, but it is definitely getting a little bit of a lift here in the pre-market. What do you guys think about the chart?
Been beaten up. I mean, this is one, that, has bounced back from the lows. But if you think about where we were a year and a half ago, $105 a share, we know, the real estate market, hasn't been as hot as it was when interest rates were 1 or 2%. Interest rates 5 up 6%. It's not that great for a company like this. But if you think you're coming into a pause, if you think, the Fed is going to start slowing, maybe Zillow Group gets interesting.
This is a mover, and it gets going one direction and has a hard time stopping. I would just be keeping a real close eye on the $46 area. There was multiple highs in April. That was also your April high, and then, I mean, also if you look at your housing stocks, right, and they're doing well, you think Zillow. I mean, people got to buy, and people got to sell. Whether they're using the more traditional brokers or not, but. I like this one. This one's a mover, and I'd be looking for 46.
All right, one last one I'll bring up here. I got Wynn. Wynn Resorts is. We'll see what happens with Wynn right now. It looks like daily high. Interesting one is 117.17, and it looks like we're at 116.68 right now. A couple of highs in that area in the 117s. You can see it also from the 20th April. Also, just to kind of keep in mind, MGM does report after the bell today.
Yeah, it does. Also something to keep in mind, not that MGM, but we'll just leave it at that. MGM reports after the bell.
I mean, these gaming stocks. I mean, did you see
Mhm.
Churchill Downs ahead of the Derby here? I mean, this thing, these stocks,
That
yeah,
one's what was the
CHDN.
ticker again?
CHDN.
yeah, those things are on. That's a fire.
Yeah, I mean, doing stuff, right? I mean,
Man, that's
you
some
got out
momentum
there.
there.
You guys are both out there at the malls and the cruise lines. People still doing stuff. I mean,
Yeah.
I think people are still doing stuff. Maybe Disney's a play here too. It's starting to show some life. I'm long Disney. I bought it here on the pullback. One of the only things that I've done right here in this last month. It was a tough month for me. I don't know. I mean, people are doing stuff. They're still paying to do stuff.
They're still paying to do stuff, man, and I don't think that's going to go away, regardless if we
I think any of it
stay
went
in high
away. We jacked
inflation.
interest rates this much, and we couldn't kill the consumer. Maybe you just got to throw in the towel and say we can't kill the consumer.
Yeah, it very much could be. I mean, it's interesting to see, and I do see Lilly up a little bit. We'll see if those can get going a little bit here.
Lilly has
Eli
just been an
Lilly.
absolute monster. They got the weight loss drug coming. It was the buy on the pullback. I'm so again.
Oh, I'm so mad.
So mad at
I had this
myself.
at 330. Got stopped out at 325, and
Oh
then it went to
gosh, and I
310.
wanted it too, Mitch. When it was coming down, we even talked about it on the show. We're like, this is going to be one of those you're going to want to buy on the pullback here.
Oh,
And
that
Kramer
was
right on this one. We give him heat. He's been right on this one. He
Yeah.
was talking about buying that pullback too. What a buy in March when it got down to 310. It's 390 here now. All pullbacks on Lilly are probably going to get bought. That weight loss jug is coming.
All right, that's probably going to do it for us here today, guys. Like always, you guys can check out TradeZero if you guys are looking for an extensive, looking for shorts, an inventory of short locates. Definitely check it out, team. I'm going to go ahead and throw up the link here. I saw someone remove my disclaimer, but I'll take care of that. Not a worry, team. You guys smash the like. We'll get you guys out of here. Lenny.